Welcome to Fashionista and salam to all. Viewers, a classic lawn can look beautiful provided it is properly cared after, but there is always a way to enhance the look. There are quite a few decorating ideas that will help transform an ordinary lawn into a green paradise in front or behind your house. Create a green corridor out of trees, bushes, and flower beds leading toward your house instead of keeping the area even and covered with grass. You may require professional help for creating such landscape, but if you keep trees and bushes natural, your garden maintenance bill or time will be decreased significantly. A stone pathway breaks the continuous grass texture and adds a touch of elegance to the lawn. To install stone steps, you need to outline your future path first and then start digging out the grass and soil for setting your steps. A multi-level lawn may seem like a hassle, but if you use synthetic grass anyway, why not make it more interesting? You can create a depressed area inside your lawn to form a conversation pit or simply break the continuous green space into different levels. If a regular rectangular lawn seems dull to you, opt for a different shape. It can be a bean shape or a round lawn that may resemble a green meadow. You can also shape your lawn using not only live plants but concrete, rocks, and tiles. Gravel is often used to create contrast in texture. Grass and gravel look great together, so choose a spot or a pathway to cover with gravel. Such decorations as fountains, spilled flower pots, and other focal points items can be a great addition to a grass-covered chunk of land. Also think flower bike, bird feeder, decorated stump and other. Garden edging can make the difference between a messy yard and a posh space where you can relax and entertain. Often overlooked, the art of lawn edging is easy to master. All you need are a few inexpensive materials, an ounce of creativity, and a free weekend. To inspire your garden design in your front and backyard, we have gathered the best lawn edging ideas that will help you take your yard from drab to fab. Your outdoor space should be cozy and inviting. Uneven or broken lawn edges aren't aesthetically pleasing and can ruin the nice look of your carefully landscaped yard. Thankfully, there are many ready-made materials available on the market that can help you correct that. Or you can take this opportunity to use your imagination and design borders from stuff that can be easily gathered during a hike, like rivers, rocks, or small pebbles. Lawn borders help you visually separate different areas of your yard for a more stylish and tidy feel. You can use lawn edging to highlight a flower bed, separate the lawn from an alley, or simply add texture to your outdoor space, back or front yard. It all comes down to your personal style, so don't be afraid to experiment or adapt the suggestions below. The best suits your needs. From classy to modern, these gorgeous landscape edging ideas will have you off to a great start. Creating beautiful lawn edges doesn't have to be rocket science, as you can see. By using both small and large river stones, you can create a dapper border that makes for a smooth transition between your lawn and flower beds. This landscape idea catches the eye with minimum effort, ensuring the natural look. If you have the resources and time for a more complex project, an edge bench is the perfect pick. It serves a double purpose as it enables you to give your garden a rustic edge while also creating more seating space in your backyard. You can use old wood, just make sure to sand it down and treat for a more polished finish. As we have mentioned before, there are plenty of ready-made lawn edging solutions available on the market, and these interlocking metal dividers shouldn't give you any trouble when setting up. It's a simple way to separate your lawn from your walkway while also allowing the green in your garden to pop. A clean, classy look never goes out of style. Large river stones can be used as lawn edges in all sorts of combinations. If you want to keep things simple, line up only a few of the more polished stones to really highlight your flower beds. To make the area more of a visual treat, use contrasting mulch and plant brightly colored flowers. We guarantee you'll become the envy of your neighborhood in no time. Want your yard to look upscale and classy? A square brick edge should be the trick. You can play around with the shape of your plant area or even get different colored bricks for a more playful effect. Either way, a brick edge instantly defines the boundary between grass and garden, making for a functional yard accent. Plus, bricks are versatile, affordable, and frost resistant. So, they are a great choice to satisfy your lawn edging needs. Viewers, there are many different ideas which I have told you. Pick as you wish, pick as you want, as you look like a green, shady, and green carpet lawn. You may have many ideas and pick of your choice. Thank you so much. Bye bye.